So after getting information about buffer builder yesterday, we are taking the support of some utility classes anyway. Java.util.string tokenizer, Java.util.string joiner. So make a heading string tokenizer. String tokenizer class is from java.util package and which is used to break the string into tokens. You can call it as pieces based on delimiter. Based on delimiter. So delimiter means a specification. You want to, 1 minute. You want to break on what? You want to break on space or you want to break on any letter. The specification we call it as delimiter, means boundary. Based on what we want to break it. It's called delimiter here. Especially string tokenizer is used to break the string into tokens or pieces, you can say. The following are some important methods from string tokenizer. The following are some important methods from string tokenizer. Some important methods from string tokenizer. So I am opening string tokenizer now. See that? Java.util.string tokenizer. String tokenizer. We highlight some methods as more tokens, next token, and tokens. These three methods we highlighted. Write the three methods like this. Three methods, you remember it. As more tokens, next token, and count tokens. These three methods you have to remember from string tokenizer. Here, as more tokens. This method is used to check the string is, sorry, the token means piece. The token is available or not. Available or not. And returns Boolean result. Returns Boolean result. Returns Boolean result. Boolean result. Next token. This method is used to retrieve the token from string tokenizer object. This method is used to retrieve the token from string tokenizer object and returns string data. Returns string data. Y means the return type is string here. Next to token method, return type is a string. It takes the string outside. As more tokens, return type is Boolean, true or false, token available or not. Now count tokens. Count tokens. This method is used to find the number of tokens. The number of tokens or you can say count of tokens. So how many pieces it has been broken? If you want to know, we call it as number of tokens or count of tokens, you can say. Utility class means belongs to util package. Of course, scanner class also utility class only. Java.util.scanner. That also supporting you to read the data. That's right, right? But at the last we list down. Utility classes we list down. But these two are important for interview purpose. 1 or 2 questions you can expect in interview. These two names you must know. Joiner, tokenizer. And what they will do, you must have some idea. Based on its requirement, you must use in your program. That's called utility part. These 2 classes you must know. Because I'm highlighting the 2 classes. Under string chapter I'm highlighting. And while I'm writing the classes also, I written util package. Because your string classes will come from lang package. And they are coming from util package. Util package different and lang package different. Yes or no? Util different and lang different. String class, string buffer class, string builder class is coming from lang package. This is coming from utility package. Means util package. That points you have to identify for interview. Anyway. Now anyway, these 3 methods you remember. Remaining all not needed in a practical part. Only for check the token is there or not. If you want to take the token out. If you want to know how many tokens are there, count of tokens. These 3 methods you have to remember. String tokenizer will have 3 constructors actually. 1, 2, 3 constructors. Actually, 3 constructors are there. But we highlight the second constructor, this one. String and string we highlight. Right? Based on the second constructor, we are writing the syntax. Make it syntax. Syntax. String tokenizer. Some st equal to new string tokenizer. String tokenizer. Here I am passing string variable. Str variable. String variable. I am passing some delimiter. Passing some delimiter. String variable and delimiter. Right. So let us work on it now once. See there, I am taking one string now. Right. So I am taking demo tokenizer. I am taking one class known as demo tokenizer 1. I am taking. First, for demo purpose, I am taking one string now. String sum str is equal to some language. I will take it. Language, I will take it. Now, here, string tokenizer, some st is equal to new string tokenizer. It should be imported. Java.util package, no, it should be imported. Now here I am passing string as parameter. Here in the delimiter, I'll say u, means break by u. I want to break it by u. Delimiter, I'm getting boundary where I should break it means wherever you find u, you break it. It's a meaning. So here I am taking one string now. I took one string now. That is language. That is one language. No need. Now this will be broken into two pieces now. One piece is this. One piece is this. Two pieces it breaks. Token 1, token 2. So here, this line. Sir, this line, what happens? Sir, in this line, what happens? So, new string tokenizer, the constructor will take these parameters and one string tokenizer object created. The string tokenizer object will hold two pieces. One piece is LAN, LANG. This is string only. It appears in the form of string there. one piece is age, last part. So this is token 1. This is token 2. This is token 1. Not index value only, number of tokens. This is token 2. Token 1, token 2. But one nature is there for string tokenizer. The nature is nothing but automatically one cursor will be pointing here. One cursor. That object has one cursor, means one header will be there. If you want to move that header, you can move it. So that is the nature of string tokenizer. So one header will be pointing there. And the address location will be available on SD. So this is the appearance of your string tokenizer object. So why two pieces came means you said break on you, no? Up to you, one word. After you, one word. So it break it into two parts. That's called breaking. In the place of you can give any letter, A, B, whatever you want, you can get. So whatever you give it, break, based on that is going to break it. That's called string tokenizer, means breaking based on delimiter. That's the meaning actually. Sir, how many tokens are there? I want to print it. So number is there, no? Int count is equal to st dot count tokens. If you want to display number of tokens, you can display. So system dot out dot print ln number of tokens or count of tokens, anything. Count of tokens, count. So there are two tokens available. Understood now? Two tokens means two pieces are available. Now display that tokens. Now system dot out dot print ln display the tokens. Display tokens. Whenever you want to display the tokens, there are group of tokens available. I must use one iterative statement. I must use it. Whenever I want to use iterative statement, for me while loop is there, do while is there, for is there. Anything I can use it. But do while we are not using in the real time market. Only two options are there for me. One is for loop, one is while loop. I want to use for loop, but here index value numbers not there. Index value numbers not there. So index value number not there means no need to use for loop. Only option while loop is there. For me, which loop is the option now? While loop is the option. So I will take the support of while loop. I am taking the support of while loop. Loop. Now the while loop will say that I want a condition. I want a condition. Now it condition means what? It want true or false. Now here I'll use it as st dot as more tokens. I'm using. This method is there now as more tokens. All of you observe this or not? As more. What is the return type of as more tokens now? Boolean. Means it only will say true or false. So what this as more tokens will do, sir? This as more tokens method will move this cursor. That's the concept. That header will be moved. Because of this reason, Java comes under API programming. Means all will be in the form of built-in. Generally in the C language, if you go for linked list, you only should create header, you only should move it, you only should drag it or not now. For us, many things are available like this. Auto movement of cursors are available for us. So cursor we are not creating. We are taking the support of one object where cursor is available. That only concept. So that object is the string tokenizer object. If we can break it and keep the pieces there, you can move the header. Who is moving the header? For that also, Your API provided a built-in method. You are not creating method. That also method available. As more tokens, method is going to move that cursor forward. Cursor or a header forward. It is going to move the forward. Whenever this cursor is moved forward now, here token is available now. Here token is available now. When I move this cursor, here token is available now. Right. Once the token is available now, that as more tokens method will say true. Whenever it is true, loop body must be executed. Loop body. So inside this loop body, string token tk is equal to st dot next token, means retrieve the token. This next token method will take the token. Return type of the next token method is what now? String. So that method will take the token outside. This method will bring the token out. Will bring the token outside and load it. tk is equal to lang. Observe this point or not now? Now this tk loaded with lang, it came out. The token came out. Now once the token came out, now you can display system dot out dot print ln. You can display tk dot toString. tk dot toString. tk dot toString. This is while loop. No, it will not be stopped until it becomes false. So what happened for next time? So next time the cursor will move to forward. It moves token by token, not character by character. Right? Once the cursor is moved forward, again the tk is loaded with. Means this already printed no already. This is printed already. Now the tk is loaded with age. The tk is loaded with age. Now while loop, no, it moves the cursor forward. Whenever it moves the cursor forward, here token not available, the while loop becomes false. All of you understood now? Now it prints token by token. Coming or not now? Lang and age. Understood this? Right. Like this, you can read the data from the keyboard. Any data you can break it. So system dot out dot print ln. Enter the string. Yes dot next. Where is that scanner? Scanner yes is equal to new scanner of system dot in here. Yes dot next line. Here you are closing no daily. Now this str I am passing here. Suppose I am running, I am taking the dynamic data now. Java language program. Only two tokens, no? Only one U is there here. Yes or no? Only one U is there. Suppose I'll use here A, I'll use it. Java language program. Can anybody can say how many tokens will come? How many? How many? 5 or 6 or 7? Why executed again? Java language programming. How many tokens? 6. Because wherever A is there, it breaks. Even character also, space also character only, no? Understood now, everyone? So breaking on the delimiter means the space provided or the point provided here, right? Now one more thing is, whenever this next token method, actually I am going back, I'll use here U. Language, 2 parts are there. Anyway, count of tokens is 2 now. After retrieving that, I'm going to display how many tokens are there again. So system dot out dot println count of tokens st dot count tokens. See, after displaying this, I am printing the count tokens again. Observe this. Here 1 and 0 is coming. Count of tokens, how much now? 2. After removing the first token, what is the number of tokens now? 1. After removing the last token, what is the number of tokens? 0. So what you observed here is, sir, whenever we take the token outside, this token is deleted from here. This token is deleted. Only string tokenizer concept only that is. So because first time number of tokens are 2, after displaying the first token, next token method took this token outside. This token is deleted. Next time I took this token outside, this token is deleted. So next token method, in the process of retrieving the data, the token is deleted from the string tokenizer object. Deleted from the string tokenizer object. I'll take A here. Java language program. So first time 6 tokens. After removing this token, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, like this. So every time it is deleting the token. Okay, right. Anyway, so this is one program. Example program. Demo tokenizer 1.java. Demo tokenizer 1.java. This is the output. Now, after output, one statement note. Notice next token method. This one. Next token method. In the process of retrieving token from string tokenizer object, the next token method retrieves the token and deletes the token from the string tokenizer object. It deletes, then it retrieves. Once it is taken, it is not available there. That's the meaning actually. in the process of retrieving tokens from string tokenizer object using next token method, the method will delete the token from the string tokenizer object. String tokenizer object. In the process of retrieving tokens from string tokenizer object using next token method, the method will delete the token from the string tokenizer object. It is going to, once it is taken, it is deleted from there. It's a meaning. That point you have to remember it somewhere. Right. One more example program. Write a program to read a string and display the reverse of given reverse of write a program to display the reverse of words in the string. Write a program to read a string and display the reverse of words in the string. The meaning is, if I took one input as Java language programming, if I took Java language programming, the output must be reverse of words. Reverse of words means Java. Remove this double quotes. AVAJ, reverse of word. EGAUGNAL. GNIMMARGORP. Reversing the words. Yesterday, how many of you done palindrome using reverse method? Raise your hands. Anybody tried? I given yesterday only, not day before yesterday. Yesterday only. How many of you tried this? Anybody tried this? Right. I am reversing the words now. This also your interview question only. Instead of reversing the total string, reverse the words in the given string. That also one interview question only. Whenever you want to reverse the words in the string now, we have to break the given string into pieces. Word by word, you have to break it. Yes or no? So you have to break into words first. Whenever you want to break into words now, break by space. Break by space. So I am breaking by space. Demo tokenizer 2. Demo tokenizer 2. Anyway, import java.util. scanner S is equal to new scanner of system dot n S dot close. Here read the string now. System dot out dot println. Enter the string. String sum str is equal to s dot next line. Okay, right. Now give the string to string tokenizer. String tokenizer st is equal to new string tokenizer of str break it on space. This is break it on space. Wherever the space is there, you break it. It's a meaning. Now system dot out dot println count of tokens. Just we are going to cross check. Count of tokens. Now st dot count tokens. I am entering Java language program. Language. Anyway, 3 tokens. That is Java actually. 3 tokens. So I am breaking by the space now. Right. Okay. I am breaking by the space, sir, here. Okay, right. Now I want to display in the reverse now. I want to display in the reverse. System dot out dot println words of string in reverse. Everybody should remember the programs what I am giving. Few things, but remember it. So this program also you must remember it. Anyway, palindromes I'll give. Don't worry, 2 palindrome programs I'll give it. One with for loop, one with reverse method. The 2 are there for you. And one is reversing the words in a given string. Important program. And taking the numbers from the string and adding them. That also important program only. Counting words, counting, not words, sorry. Counting vowels, counting alpha. But are there any consonants? That also important. So few informations. Direct questions may not come, but that flavor of questions may come. Similarity. That based on that flavor, the questions will be changing. Now anyway, reverse the words now. First we must imagine it. Sir, I entered here. For clarity imagination and what you are doing. Java language programming. Java language programming. Whenever I said break it into pieces based on the space. I said no. Programming means converting your imagination into code form. So here also before writing the program, some idea should be there in the mind. So already you know the string tokenizer already. From the first program you got the information. Now the string tokenizer object is created. 0x222. Now based on the space now. We are going to break the string based on space. Here, 1 space is there. So, this is 1 token. So, space is there. So, Java is considered as 1 token. And language is considered as 1 token. Language is considered as 1 token. Programming is considered as 1 token. programming is considered as one token. So there are 3 tokens available. This is token 1 and this is token 2. This is token 3. Token 1, token 2, token 3, like this. 3 tokens are available. This address is available on this. Now, here one cursor is coming. The student will get one doubt. Why cursor is coming? Means information will not be given to you. The information will be provided like this. You have to wait it. Some informations will come in the last. I'm taking 127 batch. Your batch number is what? 129 batch. You are right. Okay. I'm taking 127 batch. That is released batch. The batch came out already. In the last cursor statements in Java collection framework. Can you see? One statement will come in the last. So these are the cursor statements. Generally, you all will by heart for loop, while loop. Actually, they will not be there actually for you. Frankly speaking, for you, only while loop will be there. Remaining all not there. For loop also not there. These will be there. But if you train that first only, a student will be collapsed. Because you are all habituated since many years to look into for loop. That's a drawback for us. We say very clearly, if you don't know C language also, come and sit in the Java language, we say. Because C is a structured programming. We are object-oriented programmers. Link not there. Observe this point, no? But who is coming to Java, they should know C++ actually. C++ is outdated, no? Why to go to C++? So we are saying directly come to why Java became popular means technical student has to take 2 languages. One structured programming language, one object-oriented programming language you must know. That is actual technical education student. Because of this reason, for easiness, they'll keep a C paper in your engineering study year 1. You are from CSE engineer or mechanical engineer, civil engineer, whatever it may be, the C language will be there for the first year. You can observe it. Even non-technical field degrees also, somewhere computer paper will be there. There one C language will be there. That's called structured codes. Why they given C language means it looks one main method will be there. All you can write inside the main method so that student can understand bit easily. If you are going out of main function means one function they'll write. That's all. There ends the matter. The second programming style is object-oriented programming style. First programming style is structured coding programming style. Second coding is object-oriented style. Whenever you want to learn object-oriented style, then C++ is available in the market on that day. Understood this point? On that day, the student is to learn C and C++ because on that day Java not there. After that Java came. So Java is a carrier-oriented domain. So students started picking C language with the core Java. The reason C is structured programming and Java is object-oriented programming. So instead of picking object-oriented programming from C++, I'll pick object-oriented from core Java so that I can plan my career as a advanced Java. I can plan my career as a Selenium. I can plan my career as a Android. Like this option is there. You started making a journey with the core. That is the reason actually. Again here student what is doing now by sitting in Java language, he'll be comparing with the C language. That only we say don't compare it. Because that is separate coding part. We are separate coding part. That is the reason we say, if you don't know C language also come to Java, we say. Understood this point? If we take a C book and all whiles and for loops formats only, I will written. I also given that part side. Why I given means for freshers I given that part. If it is a sir, I am suppose experienced people came to me, sir. 5 numbers experienced people came. When experienced people came, we never teach that. Actually, I am a trainer for corporate also. General, I will train for railway employees. I will train for railway. I am a trainer in railway. This is my 2014 training photo. This is, I'm an employee trainer actually. When we go there, what we'll do? On the day, these freshers not there no for me. All working professionals will be there. Understood now? Then directly I must go for constructions now. I am your irctc.co.in website trainer. I am 14, 15, 16, 17, 4 years. You are all using your website content now, right? The employees who participated in South India in that sector, I trained a few components for them. So when I go there, my approach will be different. What is my approach now? Experienced approach. There I'll train this. Why I shown now? Why I shown now means this one. Sir, here one cursor is coming, student will get a doubt. How cursor is coming? So see there. String tokenizer, it is a child to enumeration. The parent of string tokenizer is enumeration. Of course, I must not use that term now because inheritance not entered. Parent-child relation not entered. But even then I am giving, because some people will get it out, how this cursor came for them. To remove that, anyway, I only will give you that cursor statements. In the future, the notes will come. So parent of string tokenizer is enumeration. Enumeration is from cursor statements. That cursor linked to string tokenizer, no? That parent is saying that you are my child. Take this header because the header is coming. Parent properties will come to child, no? Now parent is enumeration. I am a cursor statement on collection framework. Enumeration, I am a cursor statement on collection. Collection chapter is there no for us. Data structure chapter. There one cursor statements automatically will come. The parent is giving a cursor because the cursor came here. So just for today, whenever I create object for string tokenizer, automatically cursor is generated pointing before the first token. That point you have to remember it. That statement I am recording now. Okay, right. So cursor will be there. When the cursor is there now, when the cursor is there, I must move that cursor, no? Just now I said now. Sir, move the cursor. Whenever I want to move the cursor, just now I said no, take the support of while loop. While loop will be there. For loop will not be there. For loop for only index value. For string and array. That also in string, wherever you want to organize based on index value, then for loop will come. Remaining all other formats came for us. Other more formats. In this 20 years, many things happened for us. So in this 20 years, many iterative statements came for us in the market. So still we are working on for loop for the examination purpose. In applicative purpose, while loop will come. Even in advanced Java also while loop is there. In JSP also while loop is there. In Spring also while loop is there. In web service also while loop is there with the cursor statements. For loop will not come. Now here st dot as more tokens. Now I am moving the cursor. Now I moved the cursor. This one I am taking out. Just now I used it, no? Right. Same process I am using. Take the token out. Token is equal to Java. Now take the token out here. Sir, string tk is equal to st dot next token. Now you have to reverse this TK. Now the reverse method is available on the string A, available in the string buffer A. Reverse method available in the string A, available in the string buffer A. Available in the buffer. It is not available on the string. We cannot reverse it. st.reverse error will come. Then how, sir? Pass this as parameter to string buffer SB is equal to new string buffer of TK. There are 4 constructors available in the string buffer. No, I am taking the support of third constructor, which I am passing string as a parameter. So I am passing this to string buffer. I am passing X333. This is one string buffer object. String buffer SB is equal to new string buffer of TK. Now automatically the string tokenizer will be added here. Java will be added here. That is your imagination. Understood? Understood is fine or now? Now I kept in the string buffer object. Whenever I kept in the string buffer object, it can be reversed. System dot out dot println SB dot reverse. Now they will come. Java language. Each word reversed or not now? Came on, not came on, right? So every time it repeats now, same process will be repeated. See there? Now I'll move the cursor now. Reverse no anyway, reverse is over. I'll move the cursor. Whenever I move the cursor now, this language will come out. This language will come. Now the language I passed as one. This is not separate. It's not same object. It destroys and come with one more object. Second object. Anyway, here language will come. Here language will be done. Understood now? Again, that SB dot reverse. Like this, how many tokens are there? It come out and come to string buffer one after the other. Means what? String buffer object also destroys and creates. Destroys and creates. Because every time when it go up now, it destroys. Again, one object is created. So like this, string buffer object is supporting to reverse. So that only program here. Where is this? I want to display in the same line means you can write print method followed by some space. Automatically Java language programming. Came now? All of you understood this logic and right? So their logic writing means when in the process of converting your imagination into code form, what are the possibilities available in the language? You must remember them. You have to apply it. That only code writing. So what are the practices you have done here and there? What are the things you learned here and there? You must bring all them together and apply it. So student point of view, logic means very hard because he cannot remember the total subject at a time. Very used to what he cannot remember because they'll feel that logic is very hard. They'll feel it, but you have to read more to remember them. Okay. Anyway, so this is the program we had. I am entering and coming. The program is demo tokenizer 2 dot Java. This is the tokenizer. So from this program, any idea is there, you can apply for your palindrome program by using reverse. Okay, right. The second program I updated in your string tokenizer. All of understood tokenizer, right? I spent some time on tokenizer. The reason tokenizer will help you in constructing your programs. Very, very, very important. Okay, right. I'll show one more model to you. Not now. Next chapter is coming now, wrapper classes. In wrapper classes, I'll work with numerics. Numerics means reversing a number, Armstrong number, this kind of number formats I'm going to work in this chapter. So there I'll give one more information about tokenizer to you. Okay, right. So this is the information about string tokenizer. Now recently means Java 8, 2014. They introduced one more class known as a string joiner. Anyway, you are breaking, no? So try to join them. On demand, try to join them. Further, they given one new class to you, that is Java 8. Java 8 means not available in 7 and below. It has been introduced by Java 8 version. It is introduced into Java 8 version means available in 9, 10, 11, 12, ... in 17 also it is available. The class introduced by Java 8 version. Make it java.util.string tokenizer star mark IMP. Many people don't know string joiner is available. String joiner class is from java.util package. String joiner class is from java.util package and java.util package introduced by Java 8 version. Introduced by Java 8 version. Introduced by Java 8 version and which is used to string joiner class is from java.util package introduced by Java 8 version and which is used to join the strings based on delimiter. Based on delimiter. The following are some important methods from string joiner class. The following are some important methods from string joiner class. String joiner class. So I am opening string joiner. See there. String joiner, especially add method, merge method, length method, toString method. These methods you have to remember it. ToString method available, add method available, and merge method. So these are the methods. Toostring method, you know. Add and merge is the adding means adding some string to string tokenizer. Merge means joining two string joiners. Joining two string joiners. Right. Now syntax. String joiner sj is equal to, how many of you started Oracle? Raise your hands. Almost 50% completed, no? Right? How many of you started HTML, CSS, JavaScript batch? Raise your hands. HTML completed? Raise your hands. Not completed? CSS? Not started. Okay. You said HTML not completed means CSS started. That's your intention. Okay. Both are running simultaneously. Okay. JavaScript not started. Okay, right. Next coming batches is Angular. JavaScript. When it will start JavaScript, your teacher will say no, not said. JavaScript started means Angular will come. You have to start Angular, one advanced Java. If anybody is interested, you can go with 6 o'clock. Venkatesh Manasani, not Venkatesh Maipati. Right? For you in interface, interface is not completed. I am not forcing that advance. So next batches are advanced and Angular for you. Okay, right. Angular means JavaScript with Angular will come. Here core Java, you're waiting for advanced. Actually, within a 1 week, advances should be started. No sir, time not there means you can pick that 6 p.m. batch, you can pick it. Right? If you are interested, you can pick it. But still we are in the strings and no, 1 more week is needed to enter into that advanced Java. Okay, right. Right, go forward. Here, new string joiner of delimiter. String joiner of delimiter. Right. So why I asked this HTML completed, I mean, so string joiner we are going to use there for your you'll what is it? Hobbies will be there, no, singing, dancing. You'll click on check boxes or not now. In your form, check boxes will be there. What is your hobbies means you'll check it now, singing, dancing, reading, something you'll say. If you click on 4 or 5 check boxes, the data should be taken by your Java program in advanced Java. Whatever we collected, we must add to the database. Whenever we are adding to the database, string joiner will take all that. It separates singing, comma, dancing, comma, something, reading, comma. You have to add some delimiter and you have to put it onto database. So by adding the delimiter, comma or hyphen or slash, that can be possible with this joiner. So they introduced this joiner concept to you like this. See there you can understand. Roughly for a demo purpose, demo joiner. Import java.util. I am taking one string joiner sj1 is equal to new string joiner double quotes slash I am writing. Slash I am writing. So slash I given. Sir, what is the meaning of this? I want to know, sir. These all diagrams I'll keep in your notes anyway, whatever I draw it. Sir, what is the meaning of this? Here, one string joiner object is created. 0x111. The string joiner object is added with delimiter slash. Added with delimiter slash. The delimiter is added there. Okay, right. Actually, this double quotes will not be there, just I, right? Okay. Then next what, sir, means I had one method known as add. I had one method known as add. So sj1 dot add. I am adding some 12. I am adding. Whenever I added 12 now, the 12 will be added. 12 will be added. Issue not there. Whenever I add one more, suppose sj1 dot add of some October I added. Whenever I added October here, I want to add October, then slash October will be added. When I'm adding the second string now, it adds a slash. That's called delimiter. I'll join by delimiter. Then I'm adding some year here. Some sj1 dot add of some double quotes 1990. I'll add it. Now here, this is added with a slash 1990. I'll add it. So every time I'm adding with the slash or not now, the second thing I'm adding it. Now, system.out.println. Here, date of joining example. Here I'll use sj1 dot toString method. Now this will come in the form of string. It is joining or not now? For that we use joiner, right? Sir, I don't want a slash here. I want hyphen, means you can give hyphen. It will come with hyphen. Understood this point now, right? In the place of that, you can take anything. If you want to take character also, you can take character. It is a delimiter only. No, sir, I want to take one character like this. Roughly I'm showing. Some character is added. Generally, we add a slash, hyphen, comma, we add it. So we show that program also in Advanced Java. Registration, employee registration with photograph we show. In Advanced Java, we show with photographs. Means employee name. I am giving training, no? Employee name, employee ID. That will be converted into application actually. Employee name, we read it. Employee ID. Employee designation, some combo box will come. You are getting practiced in HTML, no? Yes or no? If you scroll down, what you will say? You click on that, options will be there. You have to select one option. Designation. Then down will give date of birth, data joining. Right? So date of birth field, we read like this or any other HTML new format scheme, no? Many HTML format scheme, they will see that formats. Down one address field will be given. Down hobbies will be given. And upload your photograph, we say. So we train the student how to take that photograph from HTML through servlet program and load it onto database. When you are learning Oracle also, you must learn how to record your multimedia data. Oracle teacher. So how to record your multimedia files into database. You must learn it. That is Oracle Trainer will do. And how to design these combo boxes, check boxes, radio buttons, text areas, text fields, labels, how to align them, how to read one image, how to align them. This all you must learn from HTML Trainer with the CSS. Right? The two knowledges you have to bring to us. Programming module trainer, you have to bring it. Then we keep the database ready for recording the image. We keep one HTML form designed by you with HTML. This is from Oracle Trainer, maybe some trainer, separate trainer, and HTML separate trainer. In between, we will be there, Java programmers. Then we collect the data from the HTML form, we keep in the database. Right? In that process, what we have to do, our components will support us. That is a work actually. For that only we are asking the students to go to HTML, go to Oracle and come. Before Advanced Java starts, if we can travel there and come, in Advanced Java we can do this application. Understood this point? This is actual area. This only major thing. Because what you are, you started HTML, CSS, JavaScript, immediately they'll start Angular, Bootstrap, they'll start it. Means UI technology will be running because trainers will be very high in the UI. Oracle also batches, many batches will come. HTML, many batches. Only programming module only will be busy. We trainers will be bit busy. Core Java, then Advanced Java, then Spring trainers will be blocked somewhere. They have to come out. So this module will take time. 20-25 days time it takes. Difference you're getting, no? Remaining modules will come. If you want Core Java ended means I'll start Selenium. I'll ask them to start Selenium. That is linked to that. That will be started. That all parts will get an option. But Advanced Java, you have to wait it. Difference you're getting, no? Because that component should be ready. Why I'm speaking means in this process, I'm going to use joiner. So joiner is there if we can remember enough. Remaining all will take care in the application. How to use them. For demo purpose, I took one date. I took one month, I took one year. Whatever the HTML form data is coming, that is string data only. HTML form you are submitting from the online, no? That HTML form data is nothing but string data only. It's because I showed this string data. Suppose I will take one more string joiner, I will take it. String joiner SJ2, I will take it. New string joiner, I will take it. String joiner, I will take it. Here I am keeping slash only here. Here I will keep somewhere. Here I will keep it as hyphen. I'll add this SJ2. SJ2 dot add of some SR Nagar. SR Nagar I am adding. SJ2 dot add of some HYD Hyderabad I'm adding. SJ2 dot add of some pin number 61234. I'll print system dot out dot print ln. I am printing some address. ADDRESS address. Now SJ2 dot toString. I'll print it. I'm getting no right roughly. Now somewhere our user says that I want to see totally. I want to see the date of birth and I want to see the address. Then we can join it and send it. That only merge method is there, no? Here one method is there, no? Merge. Merge method is there. You can merge them. Here SJ1 dot merge of SJ2. Merge it. Now system dot out dot print ln SJ1. Coming or not now? Sir, merging possible means possible because the objects are mutable objects. Only string object is immutable. Now here SJ joined SJ2, SJ2 joined SJ1 means you must say SJ2 joined SJ1 because I am printing SJ1. So joining is there. Like this, we are going to use this string joiner somewhere in the applicative area to join them. Understood this point now? Especially we use for your hobbies. Hobbies, if not multiple degrees will be there for the sprint. Extra certifications will be there. Whenever he select that fields, somewhere we have to combine them and put it onto database. Database column one only will be there. Others, other degrees, one option will be there. So in that other degrees, I must keep it. Actual degree is BTech, other degrees maybe MTech, PhD or any other. You have to fill it. So he says, I had these options. You have to fill it. Certifications, you have to fill it. 2 or 3 is there. I must join them and send it. Only one column will be there in the database. I must put into one column only. No, there I must put some comma. I must add it. If not, I must put some any other hyphen. I must add it somewhere. We, depending upon the specification, we keep it and add it. That option is given to you known as a string joiner. All of you understood string joiner? Right. Okay. Small idea. Example program demo joiner dot java. This is output. This is about string joiner and string tokenizer. All of you observe this? Got it? Right. Okay. So there ends your joiner and tokenizer. We end it. Okay, right. And Java P, Java dot lang dot string class. I am going string buffer, string builder, string joiner, string tokenizer. These are the components should be remembered. These are all examples of classes. I'm going to string. So few more methods are available in the string now. Among the few more methods, we had substring method is there. Yesterday I shown substring, no, somewhere. Substring, make it. Define substring method. FAQ. Define substring method. Now, look here, substring means part of string. Substring means part of string, right? Substring method is used to take the part of string based on index value. It will take based on index value. Make it. This very important method going to play a role. What are the important methods I'm bringing out? Okay, right. So substring method is used to take the part of string based on index value. Based on index value. Substring method is used to take the part of string based on index value. So method signatures. Method signatures. Method signatures. Method signatures. So two method signatures are available. Substring, substring here. Public java.lang.string. Substring is a combined word and don't write S capital. Substring, they consider it as combined word. Okay, right. Some int. Here public java.lang.string substring of int comma int. Two syntaxes are available. Int comma int. Suppose here demo string 8. I'm giving names. Whenever I'm writing a string program, I'm writing demo string. Whenever I'm writing a buffer program, I'm writing demo buffer. When I'm writing a builder program, I'm writing demo builder. Whenever I'm writing a tokenizer, I written demo tokenizer. So joiner, I written demo joiner. The names in your program, you can see that demo variable, demo method, demo constructor, demo block I written. So somewhere extra programs I written demo main class, demo student class, demo employee class I written. Like this, I given some names there. For my convenience, I am giving them. So which program belongs to what I must identify now. For that, I'm giving that. Now I'm writing 8th program from string I'm writing. So I'm taking the concept from the string because still that student class is incomplete. Student class is waiting, no? We written one program in solution student class. The student class is waiting for the conclusion. For that, I'm bringing this substring I'm bringing. I'll take one string now. String str is equal to language. I will take it. Because the language diagram is there with me, no? If not, I'll try it. Language. So here we had str. Like this. This is a language now. Now here I'm using substring now. So system.out.print ln. I'm using str dot substring. I'm giving some index value 3. I'm giving. I'm taking index value 3. I'm taking. Whenever I take index value 3, I took it. So whenever I took index value 3 now, see the answer. GUAG means from 3 it is breaking and coming. From here it is breaking and coming. So from here it is taking as a substring, no? Right. What you observed here? You are not writing any logic here. You are saying one index value. Already the method is doing the work or not now? It is taking. Sir, I want to means the first method is say the beginning index. Automatically from this index, the remaining string is taken out. Now you can say starting and ending, you can say here. Second option. You can say starting and ending here. String str not, sorry. Now system dot out dot println str dot substring. I will take starting index and ending index. Now I'll take some starting index. I will take this 2. Ending index I'll take it as G. I will take it. So starting index is 2 and ending index I'll take 6. 2, 6 I will take it. I'll take 2, 6 I will take it. See there, it prints from 2 to 5 it prints. NGUA. NGUA means what? It is printing up to 5. Sir, why it is printing 5 means that substring method internally has one loop. It's a built-in loop. It takes up to 5 only. It will not take the 6. So less than 1 means ending. The loop is I is equal to 2. I less than 6 internally. So it is coming as 5 now. So that point to be observed and remember. If I give a 6, it comes up to 5. All of you observe this? Right. This one is the starting index. To ending it will come. Here starting index to 5 will come. 5 means 6 will not come. 6 minus 1 up to there it will come. That point to be remembered. Okay, right. So this one substring 2 forms are available to you. Just for demo purpose I took it. Only small code. Just for giving information about that substring method. This is the output we had. Now, based on this substring, tomorrow I'll write the program to you. Just to try it and come. Got it? Right. So tomorrow, that student class is there, no? The student class, I'll conclude it by tomorrow. Right? Complete program on student class. Complete program, I'll give it. Okay, right. Take a break for today. Read all the notes. Try once because ended strings actually. 1 or 2 programs, I must apply it and close it. Okay, right. Tomorrow, first half an hour, I'll type the code for what is that program? Student class, I'll give the solution. And I'll go for the next chapter is wrapper classes. I'll go it. Right, take a break. Thank you very much for today.